Today I've got something very special to unbox. I've got a Voyager class figure in here, and it is Titan's Return, Darkmoon, and Astrotrain. Now, this is their first venture into actually doing a very decent looking Astrotrain. We haven't had an Astrotrain figure in a while, not in the Combiner Wars. At least they gave us one for Titan's Return. He looks really good from this vantage point. Yep, this is the Voyager class. As you can see, he turns into a train, a shuttle, and his robot mode. Although I'm a little disappointed that the train doesn't look anywhere near his classic G1 version, but the shuttle looks good. Yeah, and as true to the Titan's Return set, you can actually pull out his head, and the head itself converts into a tiny robot, and you can actually mix and match various head pieces. Okay, stay tuned. We'll unbox this and let's see how he looks. Okay, finally we got him out of the box, and there he is in his full glory. Astrotrain, Titan's Return version. And like I said, this is a repaint of the Sentinel Prime mold, which they released a couple of months earlier. That one was all orange, and this one, like I said, I'm crazy about this color scheme, the purple and the light gray. Very, very true to the classic G1 version. And he comes with 2 guns and a collectible card right there. Okay, let's check him out. There's Astrotrain. It's got the purple wings. Really nice large feet. Very articulated. And what I like about this figure, since he's got that really wide base, he really doesn't have any problem standing up. And for most Voyagers, you will have this gun which actually has a seat in it, which kind of, I guess, doubles as a vehicle for when you put his minicon in there, or his headmaster. I think you can actually put them together as well. There's a notch right there. You can actually peg this in. Yeah, you get a bigger gun. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I really love that deep purple. The toy itself, it looks really well made, and the quality of the plastic is it's pretty top notch. Yeah. Hands up to Hasbro for this version. Joints are pretty tight. Yep, I'm really digging this, guys. I think I actually like this better than the Sentinel Prime one, because that one's way too orange. That it's just downright monotonous. Yep, purple wings. Let me see if I can... Okay, so we've managed to pull off Astrotrain's head, his headmaster, and there he is up close. That face sculpt is really well made. And here's Darkmoon. I don't understand why he won't... the back won't lay flat. Okay. It's a very simple transformation. You basically just flip him up. I mean, flip up the legs, and there is his headmaster, Darkmoon. transformation is very straightforward. You basically just splay him out like that. This is going to be for his train mode. Let's see. Yep. See that slot in the arm right there? Maybe I should fold this up first. Yeah, goes that peg right there, and this entire slot fits into that. There we go. Nice side fit. Let's put this wing to the side. Let's do it on the other side. I mean the other leg. Flip this down. Maybe I should flip this up. Yep, I should flip this up. This is the front of the train, I think. There. Let's do it for the other side. Yeah, see that tab right there? It goes there. There. He's locked in. Now let's flip up the top. Okay, this doesn't want to come down. And I think that peg goes into that slot. Yep, that opens up. It's the main cockpit. Okay, that's the correct position for that. That's the official mode for it. So yeah, there you have it. That's the train mode. It's very quick to transform actually. I didn't even need to open this up. It's very self-explanatory. That's Astrotrain. Oh, yeah, he's got wheels in the middle, and right here he's got rollers, 3 of them. Doesn't really move that well, so they're pretty much useless. Let's peg. Oh, you got holes right there. Let's peg in the guns. First one. Oh, let's take Darkmoon out. Probably what I like about this figure is that there's so many pegs. You can actually have multiple positions for the guns as long as they fit. So you can put him up there. Let's open up the cockpit. Let's put Darkmoon in. There you go. I don't know if you can see Darkmoon, but yeah, he's in there. Let's flip these pieces up. Untab these guys. Loosen up the arm. Let's put him back together. Okay. Oh, don't forget to flip open the, switch the foot. Open up the tab. Turn him around. Lock that in. Lock that in. Oh, landing gear. Nice. Okay, let's put them together. Flip this up. Oh. See those holes right there? It has corresponding pegs on this panel. Because that locks it into place. Let's do it on the other side. And there's no pegs in here. Oh, actually there is. It's right on the waist. And the slots are on this panel. The reverse of the other one. Okay. Why is it coming loose? Okay, there we go. Now, what to do with the arm? Have the arm facing the wrong way. Flip this around. There. Okay, something. I think I may have screwed something up here. Okay, let's flip down the wings. tab. The legs keep pulling apart. That's a shuttle mode. Let's see where we can put the guns. I guess they're tabs on the side. Put them there. Put the other one, this guy go. Oh, I guess it pegs that way. Sideways. Let's take Darkmoon out. Let's close that up. There we have it. Astrotrain with Darkmoon.